Hi Forester Dragons. I'm going to do another really easy finger paint recipe. I think I posted one in the spring, but this one is super easy. Anybody can do it. You just need water, flour, and food coloring or liquid watercolors, either one. Remember, if you don't have any of these, don't worry about it. Just do something in the subfolder. Draw something for fun if you want for this first rotation. Okay, so I've been playing around with it before I started the video, so I actually made a batch here. Now the actual recipe calls for 2 cups of flour to 2 cups of water and then add food coloring, and you separate them out in little dishes. But Masescu didn't want that much paint, and I'm sure because it has flour you'll need to store it in an airtight container, but so you can see I was playing here. But I'm gonna do it for real with you guys too so you can see. I'm just making a mess of bowls, but see, I don't wash the dishes in my house. My husband does. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to take 1 cup of flour because I'm going to cut it in half. And put it in here to 1 cup of water, right? I've almost used all this water. Okay. I'm running out of water there. So that way I can't get any one. There we go. Okay, now the trick is you have to stir quickly. So I used a whisk for my other batch here. So, oh, this is a small bowl. I don't want to stir too aggressive. So I'm just trying to get rid of any clumps, which can happen. So once I get all mixed in, okay, so once I get it so it's not clumpy and it's really stirred, and you might want to ask your parent if your arm gets tired. Okay, you can see it looks like this now, right? Okay, and actually, like I said, I have 2 batches. I'm going to get some little dishes. You can just get some separate bowls because I have 4 food colors. I have blue, let me see, I have green, and I have yellow. So I'm going to divide it up. Hold on, let me get all these out. And there's my green. Let's see if you can see it. Here's my yellow, and my red, and my blue. Red, yellow, blue, primary colors. I can make all the other colors, right? So if I wanted to mix red and yellow, I could make orange. And if I wanted to mix yellow and blue, I could make green, but I already have green. And if I mix red and blue, I could make purple, right? Okay, maybe I'll try that. That would be fun. Okay, so I'm going to take and put a little bit of this paint, finger paint, in each dish. Okay, so you can see I have a little in each dish. Then I'm going to take and put the food color. So I just put red in there, yellow in here. Now remember, I can make those secondary colors too. And put blue in here. You know what? I already made a blue right here. So I think I'm going to mix a little red with that blue. And I'm going to make purple. Let's see how that works. And then I'm going to put green over here. Okay. Now I just have to stir those up. Get my spoon here. Okay. Stir up my green. It's a very deep green. You see? Okay. Try to get most of the green off so I don't mix up my colors. Actually, I'm going to use a paper towel. can go to my next color, my red. Stir it up really well. Make sure I get all that color. I don't mind. I mean, mixing the red and the yellow wouldn't be too much of a big deal. I just make orange. But I'm going to mix it. And then my last color, my purple, right? You mixed red and blue. Kind of made a deep purple. It's pretty. I'll show it to you in just a minute. Okay, so once I have all my colors mixed, here's the purple. See that? Then I'm ready to paint. So Miss Eskew is going to move all her paints, and I hear my children waking up. So if it gets noisy, remember Miss Eskew has 4 sons. Only 3 still at home though. Okay, so I'm going to take my finger. I can start to paint with yellow. I can take the purple. I can start to paint with purple. Green. Whatever I want to do. Maybe I want to make a flower. So I'm going to take that red. I'm going to put some dots and make a flower. Sorry, I had to pause it. You know, kids argue. So anyways, I hope you have fun with the finger paint. You can see I made a little flower here. And I'll see you around. Bye, Forster Dragons.